welcome back to Funny Kid Show. I'm Kanpu. Kinta goes to change her shoes. And guess where today is? We're at Queen SiriKit Botanic Garden and Moncham Chiang Mai. I'll let you look around. I'm at the parking right now. Daddy and Kinta are coming. Do you see? Alright, we're gonna go take a walk for a while. See you later. Let's go take a walk for a while. Let's follow Mommy. Huh. That's the enter. Let's go, Mama. Let's go. That way. This is what we had to do before. So. It's on, Daddy. Daddy, it's on. Go, let's go. This is the rule. No leaning on glasses. Oh my gosh. All plain gentle model. I think they're cute, right? Which one do you like best?
Does it have teeth?
Huh?
Do you see the teeth?
They have teeth. I didn't see it. It's too high. Go down. What is this? This is the canopy walk or skywalk zone. Look there. So pretty. Look at the nice view. And look down there. It's too high. Do you think it's scary or not? Let me know though. Keep on walking. Ah, Mary. This is the scary part. Walking on glass. There. You see that? But I shouldn't go there. What if it shattered? Oh. Do you want to keep on walking? Let's go. That's a nice one. Let's keep on going. That is the coniferous tree. That's what it looks like. Come on, check closely. Maybe this is the wood from the tree.
Oh, and this is pine cones.
Yeah, pine cones. Pine cones from coniferous trees. Don't touch your dirt ball. These are scales and inside are seeds. the end of the trail. Look around. Glass everywhere. The floor is made out of fiber too. So, no worries, but we should have pushed the glass here or you will fall and die. Look how tall it is. Look. This is the end of the trail. Should we go back or just stay here? Maybe we should go back and look at the other zone. Come on, guys. It's nice here, but there are lots of mosquitoes. Look, it's so gloomy. This is the shortcut we're gonna go out. Kenta and Mommy, we're almost out. Come on. I'm almost tired, but not yet. Daddy's already tired. Right, Daddy? We're here at the cafe. And we got stuff in here. We're gonna show you guys later. So, what did you want? You got a water bottle?
Yeah.
Okay, Mom. What did you get? Oh well, she didn't care. We're gonna have a break first, and we're gonna go now, later. The next station we're gonna go is the Dino Raptor and the gang. It's way up there.
Ow!
Kenta, take your mask off. We're gonna go up to the Dino Raptor and the gang zone. See you up there.
No, it's the other way, Pizza. This is where we're going to Dino and Games. It's pretty big up here. Because we're up on a mountain. Look how many trees. Alright, I think it's pretty busy. I'm gonna stop filming a second.
Look, there's a giant fountain.
Oh!
Look,
Wow!
so cool.
It's so high!
We had the greenhouse zone.
Look, it's so
That
high!
zone, yeah, too high. Too high for that. This is the plant zone. This is the plant shop. See the plants up there? I also see cactus up there. So, oh, this is the souvenir shop. Second souvenir shop. And the restaurant zone. This is the raptor, Dino Raptor. Look, we want to go 500 meters away. What are you singing? What are you singing? Kenta, can I listen again? This is my first time coming here. I mean, yeah, first time. But Daddy said I came here when I was little, though. That's the greenhouse that I was talking about. There's the other greenhouse. Carnivore plants. Talking about Venus flytrap. I want to see it already. Do you want to go to the carnivore plant zone, guys?
Yeah.
Let's go. There's the Venus flytrap model.
ทักทีเลยครับกินอะไรครับ
ค่ะ
ให้เสียค่าใช้จ่ายเพิ่มครับห้องเรียนธรรมชาติเชิญครับเชิญครับห้องเรียนธรรมชาติ
Look. They're mosses.
หนูอยากเห็นตัวสดแล้วนะเนี่ยมันเพิ่งกินเข้าไปเมื่อสักพักนี่เองต้นนี้เลยตัวนี้เลยไอ้มะขามแกงซูมได้เลยลูกอ่ะเนี่ยเห็นไหมมันจะมีมดตายแล้วโดนเรียบร้อยวัฏจักรมัน
Oh my gosh! What a big bug.
ค่อยๆค่อยๆนั่นอ่ะเห็นไหมชัดเลยนะชัดตัวสุดชัดกว่าข้างในสอดเลยมันรอดอยู่นะธรรมชาติมันก็ต้องเอาตัวรอดมาเนาะมันก็ต้องพยายามกินแล้วจะดึงสารอาหารจากพวกนี้โอเคต่อได้เลยลูกแล้วไปไหนกลับอะไรแค่นั้น
มีรองเท้านี่ไงเป็นสวนเลยค่ะนี่
Oh, Venus flytrap. I see. Look. Small. You're so small. Don't touch it. It hurts. That's what the bugs do.
บ้าค่ะ
Don't. It will eat. It will eat. Look, it already trapped something.
ป้าค่ะที่นี่ไม่ได้นะคะ
We don't need to.
มันจะไม่กินก็หรอ
Four. What?
โหดร้ายจังเลย
Whoa.
โอ้เยอะเลย
มันจับนะคะป้า
ดูมันกัด
Look, the Venus flytrap right here.
มันสักประหลาดเลย
มันทำปลาเลยเหรอ What's this?
I cannot read. Look at the Venus flytrap model. Who took it out first?
ตามคนเคยเหรอ
Thank you. Oh, monkey cups.
ที่เราไปดูเมื่อกี้อ่ะ
ใช่
Oh my gosh. Look.
มดเลย
Let's zoom in. What do we see? I see nothing.
ไม่เจอ
There's a lot of them.
เฮ้ย
Sorry.
นี่
Oh. Got it. Này lốt. Venus flytrap again. So big. That one's so big. Step on this. No. Not right now. Oh. So cool. Can you read this? Or can't? I didn't study for that long. Oh my gosh! So large! Look! So big! It's huger than my watch. Compare it. Look.
มันมีอีกอันที่มันเล็กอ่ะ
Oh, that one! That's cute.
เฮ้ยตรงนี้ก็มี
What do you see? Have you ever seen this before? I have never.
อ๋อ
This is calendar for taking a picture.
ไม่นะ
Why? What?
ก็เดี๋ยวให้ทำอ่ะเฮ้ย
Oh, they have Venus flytrap. But I only touched
เฮ้ย
here.
เอา
That's alright. Keep on going. Oh! This one. I touch it. I don't know. Look at that giant flower. It's a flower. What are these, Mommy? What are these? They have fur. Yeah, I know. You shouldn't touch that. This is the greenhouse. Look at this giant leaf. Huger than my hand. It's also huger than my face, too. Don't touch it. What if it had poison? What if it's poisonous?
It's poison. Don't touch.
Poisonous? I don't think so. But
Don't
we shouldn't touch it yet.
Don't touch.
Oh, weird tree though. It has spikes. Look how spiky it is. So spiky. Oh my gosh, look. What a weird flower. I don't know. 500 meters away. I don't know, but you should wait. I want to study about plants first too. You said you love flowers too, right?
You said you love Chernobyl.
What is this?
บ้านจำลอง
Oh, miniature house. Why didn't we go in?
No, don't go.
Oh, no, should we? Oh, bamboo shoot. Yeah. Yes. This is Lana's people clothes. Lana's people clothes. Silk. Look, Ty's go-kart. Let's go in. Whoa, so cool. This is the bag. Look at Shan's costume. Yeah, I think so. What is that? Chicken feeder? Oh, this is where they sell things. I see. Do you think here's that cool? Have you ever seen it? Oh, what? Oh, cotton seed. Cotton seed. This is where they sell the peas, maybe nuts. Let's just go, Mom. Look at that giant cactus. We're gonna go to the arid plant zone in the greenhouse. Let's go. Oh, got it. Looks like pineapple though. That's the cactus zone. Why don't we go to the cactus zone? But first we're gonna see this. Okay. I think this is my favorite part. Look. I know, this is my favorite. That's so cool. It's so cute. Look. The tree's so cute. Wow. This is giant. This is massive. It's actually a rose. Look at these rows.
มาโดนทัชนะ
Okay.
ที่เราเคยทำอ่ะ
Yes. No. Stop. This is the fake cactus. This is the real cactus.
มาครับ
Don't touch.
หนามมันแหลม
Watch out for spikes. Don't touch the spikes. Cactus! Look at that cutie cactus. Alright, let's go, Daddy. Oh.
กำพูแพนดิแพนถ่าย
Yeah.
ไม่ได้ขายออกแค่
There's so many kinds of cactus. Huh?
ว่าหางจระเข้
Oh, this one where they make medicines. Try this one. But I want to go now. Big tree. I'll see you soon. I'm already tired. Look at the view. We're gonna go to the dino zone. We're here at the dino zone. I don't know where's the shortcut. I already see that T-Rex already. There you go. Fossil. Look. The T-Rex fossil. Let's watch closely. This is the fake dinosaur. It's not real. I was extinct already. This is the fossil. Fossils are rare and delicate, so we have to carefully work. But don't be scared. Look at Mr. Dinosaur.
ไม่เห็นเป็นอะไรที่กูไปจับอีกปะ
Not yet. Not yet. Oh my gosh. Look at that dino. Look at that. Can you film instead? This picture of the dry land. No water, no dark land. Because they cut all the trees.
Oh, this is.
We shouldn't cut down the trees. If we had no trees at all, we will die. I don't know what this is. smallest. This is the fingers. This is the claws. 2 claws. And another claw. We also have another stone too. Sticker dinosaur. You can put it anywhere. But I can't take it out. Stickers. I'll put it here. It's empty. I'll choose pink. How was the clip? Did you have fun? Me too. If you want to watch more traveling videos, all you have to do is click like, subscribe, and share my video to your friends, family. And for now,